MotorSistem is an Italian company from Treviso, founded in 1994, is a chemical industry that deals with automotive chemistry, has been developing fuel additives for years and has developed a project called Fuel Quality. Fuel Quality aims to improve the quality of fuels to reduce the environmental impact and pollution produced by petrol and diesel engines. Our work is dedicated to fuel distributors, and based on the outcome of the analysis, we study the best treatment. We analyze the quality of the fuel in the tank and the conditions of the bottom of the tank, to be carried out to restore the optimal values of the fuel with the product's chemicals of our production. The Alga Stop product, which is an anticontaminant, acts against bacterial formation inside the tank, is a product that is used continuously to maintain the quality of diesel fuel. We have the various phases of fuel decantation. With our products we go backwards over what forms in the tank over time. Good, excellent quality diesel fuel degrades over time.